is so heartbreaking. This is Siesta Keys. It looks like a disaster zone. Like, this is crazy. It almost looks unreal. I don't think I've ever seen a town like change so much. It doesn't look like it used to be anymore. Wow. A lot of places are closed and destroyed. This is all boarded up here. Look at all of this. This is Siesta Keys. It looks like a disaster zone. This seems unreal. I can only imagine everything else. Stuff. This is how all of Sarasota looks too, but I probably shouldn't be driving down here. God only knows. There's nails or something. The beaches are closed. This is a parking lot to the beach. Completely empty. Yeah, look at all the debris. Just lines the streets. This part broke my heart because this is like entering in to Siesta Keys and it makes it look really trashy. It's all everything's destroyed down here. Goodbye, Siesta Keys.